Today I would like to talk about the village life, so please listen to me carefully. The village life is very simple and peaceful. The villages are very beautiful and clean in a world. The villagers are wear traditional dresses. Men wear a kurta, dhotya, pagri, etc. and women wear a chanya, kurti, etc. The The wild animals live in a village in a field, like a tiger, leopards, etc. And the domestic animal and beautiful birds are live in the village, like rabbit, peacock, peahen, hen, horse, monkey, donkey, etc. The village's life is a agriculture life. The people live in a village. The farmers are live in a village, and the most famous farmers in India. We were live in a village. The villages are beautiful in India. The village is a agriculture life. Thank you so much. Listen to me carefully.